Hello students, Unit 7 Kinds of Pronouns. This is the last video number 5. In this video, we will talk about the interrogative pronouns. Page number 38. See in this page, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative means when there is a question mark in the sentence, that is called interrogative sentence. Generally it asks the question. G. Read these sentences. Who made that noise? Who means some person is there. First one. Second, what is the matter? Question mark. Number 3, which is your book? Non-living thing. Number 4, whom do you want to see? Here someone is there. Number 5, whose is this pen? It will be seen that the pronoun who, what, which, whom, whose are used for asking questions. In all this sentence, the first word is for asking something, means some question is there. Pronouns used for asking questions are called interrogative pronouns. So these are called interrogative pronouns because it is used for asking questions. Now see the H1. Who, whom, whose are used for asking questions about person, means some person is there, some living being is there. Who, whom, whose. What is used for asking questions about things. What is used for asking questions about things, something is there. Which is used for asking question about a particular person. When we are asking the question to the particular person, then we use which. Or thing, means which is used for the person as well as thing. Which is the cleverest boy here? It is a person. Second, which is the best book? It is a non-living thing, it is a thing. So we have to choose the out of books and out of the person. But question starts with same word, which. I. Examine the following pairs of sentences. Which way shall we take? It is interrogative adjective. Which way shall we take? It is interrogative adjective. Which is your pen? It is interrogative pronoun. Which is your pen? It is interrogative pronoun. What books has he selected? Interrogative adjective. What shall we do now? It is interrogative pronoun. So we see that many of the words which works as a pronouns can also be used as adjectives when they are placed before noun. Means interrogative adjectives are those words which placed just before the noun. Now see, now in this slide exercise 9 is given here. Fill in the blanks with interrogative pronouns. Dash made that noise. We can write who made that noise. Second, shall we do now? What shall we do now? Number 3, dash is the news. What is the news? Write what. Number 4, dash is the merchant here and dash is the Jew. Who is the merchant here and which is the Jew? Or who is the Jew? Who is the merchant here and which is the Jew? So which is a particular person, so we write which here. Number 5, What do you want? Write what. Number 6. Did you give my message to? Whom did you give my message to? Write whom. Whom for person. Number 8. Des broke the chair. Who broke the chair? Some person is there, so write who broke the chair. Des. Number 8. Des is your brother's bicycle. Which is your brother's bicycle? Non-living thing, write which. Number 9. Des did you enjoy in the movie? What did you enjoy in the movie? Number 10. By Des were you instructed in this matter? By whom? WHOM. By whom were you instructed in this matter? Now, these are the solutions of exercise 9. Now, next slide, exercise number 10. Pick out the interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives in the following sentences. There are 2 columns. See in the book, interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjectives. The first one, who killed the giant? Who killed the giant? It is interrogative pronoun. Write the first one. Second, whose books are these? It is interrogative adjective because whose and books are comes together. Second, interrogative adjective. Number 3, what shall we eat today? It is interrogative pronoun. Write the first column. What is the matter? Number 4, it is interrogative pronoun. Underline the what. Number 5, which book do you like best? Which book comes together? It is interrogative adjective. Right in the second column, interrogative adjective. Number 6, what books have you read? Underline what books. It is interrogative adjective. Number 7, which way did they go? It is interrogative adjective. Which way? So write the interrogative adjective because here the way comes with a which. Number 8, what pictures have you seen? What pictures comes together? It is interrogative adjective. Which boy did this? Which boy? It is interrogative adjective. Write the second column. What do you want? Here write the first one, interrogative pronoun. So we solved exercise number 9 as well as exercise 10. In this way we have completed this whole unit number 7, kinds of pronouns. In the next video we will see the next unit of this book. Thank you.